You came to the UAE with big dreams. Dreams of success, dreams of financial freedom, and of course, dreams of driving a big car. Every day, he saw Land Cruisers, Patrols, BMWs, Mercedes. And you thought, one day, I'll drive one of these. Then came the first salary. 4,000 dirhams. Rent, food, transport, sending money back home. Suddenly, that dream car didn't feel so close anymore. Because in the UAE, buying a car is easy, but maintaining the wrong car can destroy your finances. That's where we come in. Welcome to Gautam's AI Garage. Here, we help you choose the right car within your budget, with the lowest maintenance cost and the best long-term reliability, so your dream of owning a car doesn't become your biggest financial mistake. Subscribe now and make your next car decision the smart way. In this video, we'll show you the best car you can buy in the UAE if your salary is between 4,000 to 6,000 AED. At this salary, your biggest enemy is not the car price. It's the maintenance cost. The best car you can buy at this salary is the Toyota Yaris from 2008 to 2014. It is extremely fuel efficient, has low maintenance cost, and spare parts are easily available across the UAE. Another great option is the Nissan Sunny from 2009 to 2014. It is known for durability and is widely used by fleets in the UAE. And stay till the end of this video, because we will be comparing the approximate service parts cost of both cars, so you can clearly see which one is easier on your pocket. Avoid buying used German cars like BMW, Audi, or Mercedes at this salary. They may be cheap to buy, but extremely expensive to maintain. Now let's take a look at the approximate service parts cost of both these cars. Don't give up on your dream of owning a luxury car. Just don't rush into it. Start with what you can afford today, and work your way up there, step by step. Comment on which car you want to compare in the next video. Subscribe to Gautam's AI Garage for more AI-driven car reviews and make your next car decision the smart way.